Hello guys, how are you doing? We recently found a method stating it can unlock the password protected Excel file without a password. Now let's check out this method. This is the Excel file with an opening password. Firstly, make a copy of the password protected Excel file. Then open the copied file with WordPad. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you should see a phrase begin with password. The password should be listed there. However, as you can see, there is no such phrase in the text. We have tried this method on Excel 2010, 2016, and 2019, but all attempts failed. Therefore, we need to find a way that really can open the password protected Excel file without a password. Passper for Excel is such a program. In the first place, we need to download and install the program. You can find the link below in the description. Here is the screen when you launch the program. You'll see two options in the main interface. Here we need to choose Recover Passwords. The user interface is clear and easy to operate. Now let's click on the Add button to import the password protected Excel file. Next, we need to select a recovery method. The program offers 4 recovery methods, including Combination Attack, Dictionary Attack, Mask Attack, and Brute Force Attack. For Combination Attack, it will randomly combine the characters you chose to find the password. If you want to use Dictionary Attack, you can import your own password list or use the built-in list that contains millions of passwords used by humans. By using Mask Attack, you need to know some certain information of your password. For instance, you need to know which character type is not included in the password. As the name suggests, Brute Force Attack doesn't require you to offer any information of your password. It's the best choice if you know nothing about the password, but it will take much longer to recover it. I always create a password with my pet's name Ada and some numbers, so I'll try Combination Attack here. I always set a password of 7 characters. It requires to enter the prefix and suffix of the password, but I don't remember them, so I'll leave them blank. The lowercase letters in my password may be A and D. The uppercase letter is A. I cannot remember which numbers are included in the password, so I'll select some numbers I always use. I don't use symbols in my password, so I won't choose any. Then the program will combine all of those characters to find my password. Now click Recover to start the recovery process. Now the password has been recovered. We can copy it to open the password protected Excel file. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and you can leave a comment to tell me what kind of topic you'd like to see in the next video. Thanks for watching.